Alright, to start off with, friends, take a black pen and start doing boxes like these. I'll show you how to do. Need not be perfect, just some boxes like these, friends. Okay, just interconnect them. Nothing special. You can draw however you want, friends. I've just drawn it like this. Very simple. These look like buildings, basically. So in the next step, friends, from the buildings, we are going to turn it to some nice little emojis, okay? Wherever you have drawn boxes, try to draw a small little box like this. Just small little box like this. If you are done with the caps at the top, now we will do ears. So for all the buildings, try to give ears so that at the sides, try to write a small little things like this. Small little boxes again to the sides. So if you have the colors, let's take yellow. It can be paint, color, crayon, color pencil, anything. And let's do everything yellow, okay? Let's color everything yellow. If you want to color it some other color, that's totally fine. This is doodling, isn't it? Alright friends, now with this building-like structure, let's make it into an emoji. I am taking a black pen, and if you want you can take a red pen as well. So now I'll use black and I'll do this thing. I'll just try to put ears and mouth and ears is already done. I'll just try to put eyes and nose and a mouth. So this is how I'll do. I'll just put a cross mark. There's a bit angry building, angry emoji. I'll use my red pen to draw a mouth like this. And there you go. Done. I can also put some eyelashes like this. For one more, you can do your own, friends. You can use your creativity, friends. Need not do, you can either do what I have done. Don't worry about being perfect, friends. Just enjoy the process. Be creative. You can probably also draw something nice at the outset as well, like this. Maybe ladies and gentlemen, these are Emojiverse.